Hello,
Ah, hi.
what are you doing?
I was just searching some Hindi designs because Eid is near.
Ooh, okay. Now let's see what is our Ammu doing. The last time we brought some fruits and my Ammu is just taking them out right now. I know she's gonna cut them. She's taking the mangoes out because everybody from our family loves mango. Especially my Didi Bhai. It's her favorite fruit. So my Ammu is right now washing the mangoes because we just brought them. After washing, as I knew it, she's cutting it. She's gonna cut it in small squares, like she's cutting it now. The mango is so juicy. You can see it. Juices are coming out also.